Tape script 9.27.1.
A. If we lose too many trees, the wildlife in the area will die. B. If we continue to cut them down, it will affect the water we drink and the air we breathe. C. If we allow deforestation to continue, it will also affect the food we eat. D. Scientists say that if deforestation continues, the world's climate will change. E. They also claim that if we don't tackle the problem, floods will become more common and animals will die.
Tape script 9.27.2.
A. If we used less paper, fewer trees would be cut for paper making. B. If we reduce our paper use by using both sides of the paper when we wrote a letter, we would use a lot less paper and save a lot of trees. C. If we reused old paper, we would also save the trees and wildlife in the forest. D. If we recycled all of our used paper products instead of throwing them away, we would also protect the forest and our environment. E. If deforestation continued at today's rate, the world's climate would change, natural disasters would become more common, and a lot of wildlife would die.
Tape script 9.27.3.
1. If you trip on a flight of stairs, you will have triplets. 2. If your eyebrows grow together, you will be very rich. 3. If your nose itches, you will kiss a fool. 4. If your cat licks its tail, it will rain. 5. If your ears burn, someone is talking about you. 6. If you sleep on your dog's pillow, you will dream its dreams.
Tape script 9.27.4. 1. The Cardamom Mountains forest plays an important role in the global climate. It keeps a lot of carbon within the forest. If we destroy the forest, the carbon will go into the air and add to global warming. 2. It is also a key part of the water cycle. A lot of water goes into the sky from trees. If we lose the forest, we will lose its ability to store water. 3. The forest protects soil from erosion. Trees shelter the soil from wind and rain, and tree roots stop soil from moving. If we cut down the forest and the soil erodes, it will reduce the ability of the soil to store water and nutrients. 4. The forest also takes lots of water, which helps stop flooding. If we cut down too many trees, rainwater will flood villages and other land in the area. 5. The forest is also a habitat for more than half of Cambodia's wildlife. It is the richest habitat in the country. If the animals lose this environment, they will eventually die out. 6. Forests provide food, shelter, medicine, and materials for making clothes, baskets, and other useful things. If the forest is lost, we will lose all of the resources it provides. Tape script 9.27.5. 1. If we destroy the forest, the carbon will go into the air and add to global warming. 2. If we lose the forest, we will lose its ability to store water. 3. If we cut down the forest and the soil erodes, it will reduce the ability of the soil to store water and nutrients. 4. If we cut down too many trees, rainwater will flood villages and other land in the area. 5. If the animals lose this environment, they will eventually die out. 6. If the forest is lost, we will lose all of the resources it provides.